Hello.
You are there.
Huh?
Only you are there.
But there were 2 people are there, na? Hello.
Only one participant is there.
But then,
You did not join. It is the same room only or some other room. Take out the books now. Homeworks were given?
No.
No.
No homework?
No.
Yes, sir,
No homework.
yes, sir. No.
Online वाला नहीं. Online ये ऑनलाइन में तो कुछ नहीं. ये रूम सब बराबर है क्या? देखिए रूम बन रहे हैं ना. हाँ तो ठीक है. मैं ज्वाइन नहीं किया दोनों वेदांत और अच्छा वो उसका नहीं शायद चेंज हो गया ऑनलाइन का इसमें आके कोई क्लास नहीं स्टैंडर्ड you don't have pen also? Huh? Pen also you not do? Pencil. Chalo, okay. What's your name? I forgot your name. Yes, no. Achha, what did you write? You wrote 10 times. Okay, sir.
Given positive integers a and b, that exist unique integers given are satisfying a is equal to b plus r plus 0 is equal to 0. Particular 0 is less than or equal to r less than b.
Finally, study. You also study now? Sure. You're not studying it seems. Study now? Okay now. So we are doing discussing. You all study now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We are doing the exercise now?
Yes, sir.
Exercise which are 1.1. Where is that? Not coming. But last class also she was not there. She is not coming, but she stopped. Huh? Huh? Math said she did not come, no? No, I didn't see her. Chalo, okay. Other day she come on time or there also late? Late. Sometimes. Arya. Chalo, okay, let's start now. Okay. Now, here we have done, how many questions we have done?
5.
5 questions. 5th question, all of you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what was, read the question once again.
Use Euclid's division and to show that square of any positive integer is either of form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m.
3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Did you all go through the classwork? Did you all went through the classwork or not?
Yes, sir.
And did you study?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, so you followed, what is it?
Yes.
Huh? You followed and there is no problem now. Okay, so then a is equal to bq plus r and then we took that, see a is equal to bq plus r, then we took as b is equal to how much you took? 3 now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, b is equal to 3 and how many cases came?
3.
3 cases came and you could prove it now.
Yes,
Okay, now why not b is equal to more than 3? Can you take b is equal to 4? If 4 is not multiple of 3, so it is not. B can be taken as 6 also. B can be taken as 9 also. Okay, b is equal to 6, b is equal to 9 also you can take. But the thing is, when you take that one, the things you have to see depends upon when b is equal to 3, how many cases will come? 3 cases. When b is equal to 6, how many cases will come? 6 cases will come. B is equal to 9, 9 cases will come. Then if you are taking b is equal to 6, you have to take all the 6 cases and prove. Not required. That is why always take the smallest number. Okay, smallest number take. It's not that always B is equal to 3 only possible. You can take either 3 or any multiples of 3. So don't go for higher ones. Higher ones means your steps will be increasing. You cannot take 1 or 2 cases, all the 6 cases you have to take. That is why we do B is equal to 3. And its important part is you have to check what value of B to be taken. That is important. Okay. Now, next question. Question number which one? 6. Obviously. Please.
What is the largest number which when divides 63, 77 and 112 leaves 3, 5 and 4 as remainders respectively?
4 and
3, 5 and 4.
Are you followed? All of you read the question once again. All of you read and try to find out the meaning of the question. Follow the meaning of the question. What is the largest number which when divided by 63, 77 and 112 leave the remainder what? 3, 5 and 4 respectively. Suppose if x is the number, means when 63 is divided by x, what is the remainder? 3. 77 is divided by x, what is the remainder? 5. So 112 is divided by this one, remainder should be 4. So that means if I take 63 minus 3 and divide by x, the remainder should be 0 now. And 77 minus 5 divided by x, then remainder is 0. And 112 minus 4 divided by x, remainder is 0. That and x should be the largest number. X should be the largest number means x should be the largest number means highest common factor, HCF of these 3 numbers. Are you followed? X is a number, there is a number x such that when you divide 63 by x, you will get the remainder 3, 77 by x, remainder is how much? 5, 112 by x, remainder is 4. Therefore, if I subtract these numbers, the remainder should be 0. Means x should be the largest number, means x is the HCF of these 3 numbers. Follow the meaning of the question. You could understand? Yes or no? Okay, so then that is the way analyze the question. Now this is from the exercise which contains only HCF. So usually all will tells are HCF, but if the question will come mixed, so then you should understand whether to find out HCF or LCM. You should not confuse. Okay, so you have to read and identify. Understood? Any clarification required? Immediately tell sir I have not followed. So then accordingly we will discuss. Okay, so right. The largest number which divides 63, 77 and 112 and leaves the remainder 3, 5 and 4. Leaves the remainder 3, 5 and 4 is same as the HCF of is same as the HCF of 63 minus 3, 77 minus 5, 112 minus 4. 112 minus 4. That is HCF of 60, 72, 108. 60, 72, 108. This message is clear. Word problem generally comes in the exam, so you should understand that you have to take it. Now, you know how to find out the HCF of these 3 numbers? How do you find?
Okay, first we will find HCF of 60 and 72, then we will find HCF of 60 and 72 and 108.
60. So you mean to say first you find the HCF of 60 of 72. You will get that answer. That answer and 108. Okay, any 2 numbers you take, you will get the HCF. that HCF and the third number. Okay, understood now? So you can read.
Sir, can we do this the prime?
Huh?
Can we do with the prime?
This is where with the division lemma now.
That,
It is based on which one? Division lemma now. So division lemma. When you study prime factorization, you can do by any method, either division lemma or factorization. Okay. So this is now division lemma exercise is going on. So do it by division lemma. I got it. What is that? Can we do by factorization also? Now take consider A is equal. Hey, this girl is fighting with everyone. A is 72 and B is equal to 60. Then do. So what is tell me? Directly can tell now 72 is equal to
60 into 1 plus 12.
16. Very good. 1 plus 12. It's not required to divide.
Then 12.
Again, like
Sir, it's not my choice.
this is Monday. You are not. I did not see you only.
Sir, my bus came very late.
This way going away. You're missing lot of classes here. This is done now.
Yes, sir.
Then what will you get? A is equal to 60 and B is equal to 12. Therefore, 60 is equal to how much?
12 to 5.
Plus 0. So now, okay, therefore, HCF of which and which one? 72, 60 is equal to 12. Now we will consider which are the values? Consider 12 and 108. Therefore, A is equal to 108 and B is equal to 12. So what will you write? 108 is equal to 12 into 9 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of 108, 12 is equal to how much? 12. All of you got it now? Therefore, final answer. Therefore, all the three HCF of these three, which are three numbers 60, 72, 108 is equal to how much you will get? 12. Yes or no? Now look here. This HCF and this HCF may not be same. Okay, it's not necessarily always this is same. This is 12 and this can be smaller, but the answer is this one. Okay, therefore the largest number is which one? 12. Fast right now. Harshita. No, this chapter is big. This part is very big. So right now largest number is, therefore the largest number is, you did not ask to find out the HCF now. The question is written what is the find the largest number now, so you write the largest number is. Okay. Who is this? One more is the Excel. You are there in the last. Okay. Saina. Saina is there. Are you speak now? Who Saina? So that is the way now. You should tell now. Are you following? So you are last like you know that. So Harshita will help you. She is from the same school now. No. She is not able to follow this one now. So give little help to her now. Will you? You have followed now? I don't know. Did you follow? I don't know. And you have followed or not? If not followed, tell now, then I will explain. That is why I am giving. Huh? Then I have which step you are not followed. Now I call one by one and all. You call her and me every time. She followed her. Which step you are not followed?
I mean, sir,
Did you read the question? What is the question?
with the largest number which can divide 60, 77, and 12 years of 3, 9, and 11.
So there is a number which when you divide 63 and 77 and 112, then the remainder will be how much? What is it? 3, 5, and how much? 4 now. So you have to find out what is that number. Understood? There is a number. So when you divide 63 by x, 7, you will get the remainder is how much? 3. And 77 by x, the remainder is how much? 5. And the 112 by x, remainder is 4. So this along with one, I should not call. Ashada, you followed. In which you have to tell me, sir, I am not followed. So you have to find out, that is very. And listen, and x should be the largest number. Okay? There are a lot of values of x maybe, but x should be the largest number. Instead of 12, it can be, could have been 6 also. But 6 is not the largest number. Okay, or 3 also, the highest number. Right? That you have to find out. But those who I cannot call one by one and ask, are you followed, are you followed, are you followed? Whenever it is the first day I said, see, if you are not followed, you tell, sir, I am not followed. So then I will explain again now. After completed everything and after erasing, it's very difficult. You followed. Your voice following now?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So, question number next. Akshata, read the next question. Contingent.
Contingent of 16 members is to march behind an army stand of 17 members and a parade. You do have to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns at which we can march?
Are you followed? What is the meaning of the question? All of you read the question once again, because the understanding the question is very important. Did you read? What is it? Army contingent. Okay. Army contingent, how many are there? Contingent contingent 616 members. Means army is there. There are an army 660 members. They have to parade, marching we have to do it. Okay. And there is a band. How many members are there? 32 members. So they have to march for a parade. Okay. So the two groups march at that same number of columns. Are you followed? Same number of columns. Have you seen the in TV and the Republic Day? So it's 4 are there, means everywhere 4 now. Okay. So then what is the question being asked? What is the maximum number of columns they can march? Means even they can 1 also, 1 column everyone can go. Or 2 also they can go. Okay. Army also there, band also 2. Maybe 4 8 also. So what is the maximum number? So are you followed? Okay.
So we have to find the
Maximum number means it is the HCF between which one? 616 and 8. Okay. So right, maximum number of columns. Maximum number of columns in which they can march. Maximum number of columns in which they can march is same as the HCF of what and what? 616 and 32. HCF of 616 and 32. Find out. All of you, 616, 616 and 32. So division lemma take A is equal to 616, B is equal to 32. Nobody will shout the answer. What happened? HCF of 616 and you also noted it. These one people 1 by 1. It's same as the HCF of 616 and 32. Now, in bracket A is equal to B equal to. Right? Division done?
yes, sir.
Quickly. Why are you doing this way, my dear girl? This way division doing? Not that way, no. You will go 616. divided by 32. Ones are 32. This is the way division now. So it is coming as, what will you get over here? 9, 2, 29, 296. Paula, first time doing division, I had to teach you 25 sums of division. I will.
9.
No, 32 into how much?
9.
9, sir. That we can find out now. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. 8. So, therefore, I did not write A is equal to 616. B, A, you all are not practicing. Just keep on coming. 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Now, what is the value of A? 32. B is equal to 8. Should I divide and show? 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. So the last value of B is the HCF. Therefore, HCF is equal to HCF of 616, 32 is equal to how much? 8. Therefore, maximum number of columns is equal to 8. Maximum number of columns is equal to 8. See, every question I have to do over, because I thought everyone will do it. Still, you people are making a mistake. Practice the questions I am telling you. Tomorrow onwards holiday, no? Tomorrow is tomorrow is holiday, huh?
Yes, sir.
You take some. I asked to school.
Holiday, sir.
Huh? But tomorrow is 14, no? 14, I don't know. Do you have from which school? Who else Balwadi? Huh? So they have only a specialty color. Okay. Study, revise this one. I think most of the people are not able to do. Coming to UT and going only. They practice this also, no? Question number 8. Okay, that should read the question.
Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9n plus 1 or 9n plus 8.
So, cube of any positive integer. Okay, first one was, there was a question, was the square of any positive integer. This one is cube. Cube of any positive. Look here, if not followed, you people should ask. Cube of any positive integer. Tell me cube of one positive integer. 2 cube is 8. So 8 can be written as what? 9m plus 8. 9 into 0 plus 8. Yes or no? Okay. Next. Another one. Another cube you tell. 3 cube is how much? 27. 27. 27 can be written as what? 9 into 3. 9m. This is 9m plus 8. 4 cube.
64.
64. So how much? 64 is 9 into
9 into 7.
9 7 sir. 63 plus 1. 9m. This is 9m. This is 9m plus 1. 9m plus 8. Check any cube. This is how much? 4 cube. 5 cube how much? 125. Can you tell 9 into how much? 9 10 sir. 9 11 sir. 99. 12 9 sir. 13 9 sir. 117.
Plus
Tables also now next class. Homework all of you write. Next I stop there. This one. Homework. Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. In the next class I am going to ask. Tables. I will ask. One mistake means this classroom will be free till 8:30. I am also here. I'll make you to sit over here. Otherwise, I'll give 100 sums I write and go. Division also you people are studying. Multiplication. Multiplication till where you people know? Table of multiplication till where you know? 15, 12. Okay, 12 is studying. Till 12. Okay. Addition I will ask single digit addition. 6 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9. Okay. Division also I will ask. Long division. Write and divide. Some people are struggling to divide even. 6 1. Huh? सबका?
सबको क्यों है?
So you know ना? You know it now? You know it now? चलो. Next you come to the bottom. You know division? Hey, you know doesn't know, tell na. That maybe has to come as A's from you. Okay, maybe nahi. So look here. So any cube of any number can be it is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. That is the way you have to prove it. This way, it's a question you cannot write this one. So Euclid division lemma will apply. What is Euclid division lemma says? That A and B are two positive integers. Therefore, A is equal to what? BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Let I take B. Since it is 9m means I can take it as 3. 3 will come as 27 now.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you know, if a bigger number A, B is equal to 9 also I can take. If B is equal to 9 means what is the problem? How many pieces? 9 times. The proof is very long. So if I take B is equal to 3, then what will be the value of R? Tell loudly. 0, 1, 2. Harshada, then what will be the value of A? What is the value of A? Doesn't know. You are Harshada. What is the value of A?
3Q plus
Ritika is telling. Tell now.
3Q plus R.
3Q. So then what are the values of A? R is given now 3 values. 0, 1 or 2. So what is the value of A? 3Q. 3Q plus 1 or 3Q plus 2. Stop writing and listen. This one, listen here. This is the, I think we are doing the same question 7th time. Similar one. When B is equal to 3, R value will be 0 less than or equal to R less than 3. Means what is the value of R? It is 0 or it is 1 or 2. Understood? So when R is equal to 0, then A is equal to 3Q plus 0. Or when B is equal, R is equal to 1, 3Q plus 1, 3Q plus 2. Understood or not? This much is clear. Now, case 1. What is the first case?
3Q.
A is equal to 3Q. We need to find out the cube of the number now.
Yes.
So we will consider A cube. What is the value of A cube? 3Q whole cube. What is the value of both of you don't tell. What is the value of 3Q whole cube? What is the value of 3Q whole cube? Cube. When I ask you people only, you people are asking now, explain. When I don't ask you, people tell no. If you are doubt, you should have asked me now. Why? When I start asking you people, answer I don't know. That is the way. Even she also, when I start asking, she will start, okay. If you are not followed, why don't you people tell? Hey, this is going on too much. Questions why you people are doing it's only just only writing and going. That is why you all are come over here. But if you are not followed the question, meaning of the question, then how you are going to study? Immediately you should tell what is the. You have followed, all of you read the question. Stop writing and all of you read the question first. Did you read? What is the meaning of the question? Tell me. To you. What's your name?
Kushal.
Kushal. What is the meaning of that question? Followed what is the meaning of the question? No. Can you tell what is the meaning of that question?
The cube of a
Hmm.
number whose cube is
Tell now.
a number whose cube can be shown in form of 9m, 9m plus 9, 9 plus 8.
You follow what is the meaning of the question? What is the meaning of the question? You tell now. Yourself. Don't tell say. You tell.
So a number which is a positive integer, the cube of that it can be in the form of n plus 1
N now 9.
I'm sorry, 9.
So cube. Did you follow what is it? Cube of any positive integer you can write in the form of what? Either it is 9m or it is 9m plus 1 or it is 9m plus 8. Understood or not? All of you followed. Harshada follows. Or you know what is the meaning of cube of a number? Can you tell cube of one number? Any number?
Sorry, 2, 8.
2 cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3?
27.
27. Like that, any cube, if you cube of 110, it is equal to 1000. So 1000 can be written as either in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay, that is the condition here. So for that one, we are going to apply which lemma? Division lemma. A is equal to BQ plus R. Listen now. Stop writing and listen. A is, I am giving you people the time to write now. So stop writing first. A is equal to BQ plus R, 0. This is followed. Then we have to consider what value of B. I can start with the B is 2, but 2 cube is coming as what? 8. But in the question is 9m, 8 is not a multiple. B is equal to 3 if I take. What is the cube of 3? 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. So that is why B is equal to 3 is taken. When B is equal to 3, what will be the value of R? See, if I put B is equal to 3 means what will I get? Here it will come A is equal to, so this step is not written, that is why most of you are confused. Here A is equal to 3Q plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than 3. Now what is the value of R? R is equal to 0, see, R is equal to 0, 1 or 2. Understood? What is the question?
Sir, in question here also given 9m plus 8, but you only found the 3q plus 2.
This is got by from where? This is from here now. This is not the proof now. We have taken the value of B as 3. The value of R is, this is not 9m and all. Value of A is, R value is 0, 1 or 2. So when you get us this R is 0, 3q plus 0. R is 1, 3q plus 1. R is 2 means 3q plus 8. Here it will not come. When you take its cube, this number is not 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. The number is not, it's cube of the number. Means A is the number, means A cube. Are you followed? Okay, you are followed. Yes or no?
Yes.
No. You are followed now. So then there are 3 cases come. First one is A is 3 cube. 3 cube. Therefore A cube. Then what is the cube of this one?
So
9. 3 cube is
27.
27 only.
No, sir.
27 and 27 cube. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can be written as 9 times 9 into how much? 3q cube, which is of the form what? 9m, where m is equal to how much? 3q cube. Are you followed? So you got when a case 1. Now I'm going to write the case 2. Case 2 is, what is the case 2? 3q. A is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 1. You're not, nobody, others are not listening, telling. Are you followed? Still you are searching. What is the doubt? Tell now.
No, sir, I
Still she is not followed. Understood?
understand.
Either you tell yes or no. What is your doubt? You tell now.
Wait till someone can get out there. I don't know how to explain my doubts like that.
You tell whatever. Answer is not come now. When answer comes, you will come to know. Then wait.
Sir, will you explain that 3q and 9q or like
9q will come now. That one. Let's finish the proof. Then you will come to know. Okay. So then a case 2 is what? A is equal to 3q plus 1. What do you have to find out? Cube of that number. That is a cube. A cube is equal to 3q plus 1 the whole cube. Okay, this much is okay. Now you have to expand this one. This is also from what? A plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? Those who know, raise the hand. A plus b whole cube. Only one person knows. Second person knows. Third, fourth. A plus b. Yes, you tell.
A cube plus 3a square b plus b cube plus 3ab square.
A cube plus b cube plus 3a square. Or what is the form? There are 2 ways are there. Yes.
That's
You tell now. Don't tell same. You tell what did you tell?
x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y.
So a cube plus, there are 2 ways you can write. What she said is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. When did you study? You know this one. 9th standard. Most of the problem is, 9th standard not studied properly. That is the main. Or another way you can write as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, I'll give all these identities. You have to remember. Whenever identities, if you don't know, please note down and learn. Last class, I've seen quite a lot of people are struggling to write a plus b whole square also. Do you know when did you study a plus b whole square? 7th standard. 7th, 8th. 7 a plus b whole square was there. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, no, there is hello. Okay, you studied 8th standard now. Okay, thank you. Now there is an argument 7, 8, 7, 8. Okay, na, yeah, okay, you studied 8. Happy. Now, all right. So, what is the identities coming as? I'll stop writing and listen now. Simply copying. Now, so what is the value of A? Tell me.
3q.
3q. What is the value of B?
1.
1. So A cube means how much? 3q or cube. It should, if these all steps. Huh? Huh? 3q. Identity a plus b whole cube is equal to what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Ritika? Square. Nahin. Cube na. Square is for square. Now look, what is a cube here? 3q whole cube. How much? 27 q cube plus b cube is what? 1 plus 3ab times 3q times 1 times a plus b is 3q plus 1. Have you followed this also? So therefore, this can be written as 27 q cube plus. I will write this to simplify. 3 3s are 9. 9q times 3q plus 1 plus 1 outside. The change and right now. Are you followed, all of you? Followed. Okay. Now look, from this much, what I can take common? 9 I can take common. Left out is how much? 3 q plus from here what is common? Stop writing and listen now. So then what is left out? 3 or what? Only q and bracket 3q plus 1 plus 1. This is of which form? 9m plus 1 where m is equal to how much? 3q plus q times 3q plus 1. Are you followed this step or not? Are you all followed? So when a is equal to 3q, this is the one. When a is equal to 3q plus 1, this one you got. It is also for 9m plus 1. Case 3. This should be easy for you. What is the case 3? When a is equal to 3q plus 2. Here also we need to find out aq. 3q plus 2. When 3q plus 2 whole cube. Same property we are going to apply. So what will we get? Tell.
27.
27 q cube plus all of it 8 plus
18.
3ab you can directly write 3 into 3 3 into 3
9.
2 are 18 cube times 3q plus 2. Are you followed what I did?
Yes, sir.
A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. 3ab means 3 into 3q into 2. From these two, so if you want to write one more step, I can write 27q plus 18q times 3q plus 2 plus 8. I go. Now from here, what is common? I need only 9. Remaining, what you will get? 3q cube, isn't it? Plus 9 into how much? 2q times 3q plus 2. Loudly speak, then you will make the mistake. Don't worry, then you will learn also. That is why I am telling you. Therefore, this is the form which one? 9m plus 8. What is the value of m?
3q
Plus
3q cube
2p plus 2.
2q times 3q plus 2. See? 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Understood or not? This girl is writing. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to ask you to write on the board. I am going to erase. Ready now? Okay, follow now. Your doubt now clarified. A is 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. A cube is what? 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 1. How did you get b is equal to 3? Yeah, no? No. See, we have to think. If I take b is equal to 2, what is the cube of 2? What is the cube of 2? 8 now. It is not multiple. We need the question 9 needed now. Now, if you take b is equal to 3, what is the cube? You all write down. What is the value of b is 3 means what is cube? If b is equal to 3, what is its cube? 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. Whereas 8 is not a multiple of 9. If I take b is equal to 4, what is the cube of 4? Huh? 4 into 4 is how much? 16 into 14 no? 16 into 4 is 64. Okay. So that is not a multiple of 64, is not a multiple of 9. Understood or not? 3 can be taken, 6 can be taken, because 6 is also a multiple. 6 cube is 216. But that will be one smallest value. Understood now? So at least you started asking. Very good. Maths lectures, not to be scared. Please on keep on ask. Don't worry. If not asking, you will not learn this one. Other class I have completed these exercises. Don't worry, but you have to learn that after doing all these things, I don't know anything is wrong. No.
In this question, you took C as Q because it was a multiple.
Hello, my dear friend. When did you join?
Actually, today I saw my lecture was not scheduled, so I joined late.
Even where is the other one? One Aditya. Aditya. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Aditya is there?
Yes, sir.
Why you people not come?
Sir, in the timetable, the lecture was not scheduled today.
Yes, sir.
That is
Ma'am
why
called me.
this is the question of you all. Hurry, these people are watching. Do the work now. Everything you people will look. Hurry, look at this. You know which question we are doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is the exercise.
Okay. What is your doubt?
Clarify that you took 3Q because 3 is
Because
the
we
multiple.
need 9m. Okay. Why we need the 3? 3 cube is 27, which is a multiple of 9. If it is 2 means cube of 2 is what? 8, which is not a multiple. If it is 4 means 4 cube is 64, which is also not multiple. You have to, important thing is there are 2-3 people ask why B is taken. B is most important thing. Value of B is most important. Then the steps will come. B is wrong means the answers will not come. Okay. Practice. Hello. Arush. How are you? Reply. Reply the answers, okay. Written. Without mistakes, right? Lot of problem, missing part, identities are missing, lot of parts are missing from you people. That is why problems you are finding. Beginning you have to struggle. Following now? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Huh? Hey, so fast. 2 questions done at 5:50. Fast. Let me this one I have to finish. 5:52. Too fast. Fast right now. Okay, so all of you stop writing now. Listen. Let me go through one. Wait now, wait, I'll give time. So final statement you will write. You can write now. Huh? Final statement, right? Therefore, cube of any number is of the form. Cube of any number is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Cube of any number is of the form positive number, positive integer. Cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. Read, Ritika, read the question number 9.
A sweet seller has 20 cashew burpees and 130 banana burpees. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the
Least
least
area.
area of the crate. What is the maximum number of burpees that can be placed in each stack of these burpees?
So equal it is coming now and the maximum. So what you have to find out? The HCF between which and which one? 420 and 130. That you can do it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so maximum number of this one.
How to find that the question is saying about LCM?
You have to read and understand. Read 3 times, okay? Then you will learn that it's a maximum number at all. That is only way. No, the rule is there. Okay. Question number 10. Read the question.
If the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressible in the form
210
multiplied by 5 plus 55 by
Find the value. This is same as with m and then you remember. The second question now.
Yes, sir.
65m plus 117n. So first what you have to find out? HCF. Then express in the form. Okay. 11 also the same thing. D is HCF. X and Y find it. So you have to do this 9, 10, 11 as homework. And in whichever not getting, I will explain in the class. Understood? Okay. 9, 10, 11. Okay, 9, 10, 11, you do it as homework as well as in the homework exercise. You can do second and third also. 5 questions homework. Which are the 5 questions? Classwork 9, 10, 11. Homework 2 and 3. One is already done now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is it for today. Pencil. Bring pencil. She did not bring. Hello, okay then, bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.